UltraEdit is an image editing technology based on SD3, and part of it also utilizes LLM language models. In short, it allows you to redraw images based on your prompts. The advantage is that it can automatically recognize the content in the image according to your description and redraw it while maintaining consistent style. But I didn't do that later because I want it to be rigorous. For example, what operation should I use now to redraw this part of the glasses? Enter sunglasses here and input glasses in the mask area. Take out the eyes so that we can redraw just the white parts. Everyone is basically invincible in their own paper under the given conditions. Let's quickly test it. Remove the dog and replace it with the cat. Input, turn the dog into a cat, click generate, and here's the result. It looks a bit clumsy. Then there are two values here. One is image guided and the other is text based. The higher this value is, the more it aligns with our text. I think that's right. When using image guidance, the higher the value, the closer it matches our original image. So if I want to turn it into a cat, I should lower the value slightly. If this number is considered, it may seem not that low at first glance, but the problem is that the next value 0.5 will result in even worse outcomes or even cause direct failure. So in this image guided area, my default minimum value is 1. Another technique is using reverse. After reversing, pay attention to the black areas as the key points. I'll appropriately reduce the expansion here. Then give it a beach background and you get this result. Let me demonstrate another global usage with all other groups turned off. Changing FK to KSK in the prompt input because it's based on an SD3 model, so the text can also be modified, though it looks a bit crooked. Finally, if you want, you can go through the zoom function again. Navigate to Running Harbor AI Point A, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 GB. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.